कि APSAC-FWO को सॉल्व करें विदाउट गेम और इसके अलावा टाइमिंग्स का भी ख्याल रखना है। टाइम भी तो चेंज हो गया है, नॉर्मल पेरेंट्स उसके नई बोर्ड से देखते हैं लोग। तो अभी तक मैं आ रहा है जीवान ए की तरफ से। और पहले तो मैंने देखा उर्दू की क्लास में सब इशू होते हैं, 2 दिन हो गए ना मैथ्स ना साइंस ना इंग्लिश ना उर्दू।
Assalamualaikum Harim Kamran, Rana Sim Abdul Rahman. I hope you all are okay. It's rainy today, so maybe you face some trouble in the voice. So if any problem arose, do inform me via chat window, okay? अगर किसी को भी वॉइस का इशू आता है तो वो फौरन मुझे मैसेज कर देगा. इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड एंड इंटरनेट इज डिस्टर्बिंग मी. ओके, so 6 are here. Walaikum assalam. Iza, you are joining with A section today?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Beta, why are you joining with A section today? Are not you in G?
G.
This is 1A's maths class, yeah?
1G.
बेटा आपकी G की क्लास तो 12:30 स्टार्ट होनी है.
ये मैसेज.
अभी आपका G में कोई और पीरियड चल रहा होगा ना?
कि मैम फिर आप मैथ की हैं?
मैं मैथ्स की हूँ. मैं मैथ्स की क्लास ले रही हूँ.
ओके मैम, सॉरी.
इट्स ओके. अपना दूसरा पीरियड ले, फिर मैथ्स के टाइम पे आ जाइएगा. ओके.
ओके.
ओके. आयान मलिक, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
यस मैम.
आयन बेटे, आपने पिछले 2 डेज क्लास क्यों नहीं ली? खैरियत थी?
मैम नाइट
जी
का डाला नेट का प्रॉब्लम
अच्छा
नेट का प्रॉब्लम था
ओके 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 आप ठीक हो गया
यस
गुड Abdul Rahman, are you listening? Abdul Rahman,
यस मैम
बेटे आज तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ कनेक्टिविटी में
यस मैम
क्लास ज्वाइन करने में आज तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ आपका
मैम 2 दिन पहले हुआ
अच्छा मेरी आईडी तो सेम है मैं भी वो
आज नहीं हुआ
ठीक है उर्दू की क्लास ली आपने उर्दू की
No.
क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन कर सके उसमें क्या इशू आ रहा था
बताए ना
मैम वो मैंने नहीं ली
खुद से नहीं ली या कनेक्ट नहीं हो सका
उसमें हमारी मीटिंग नहीं लग रही थी
पॉसिबल लगा था
अच्छा ठीक है ओके
नहीं कनेक्ट नहीं हो सका था
ओके विल सी टू इट आप स्मॉल लेटर्स में APSAC-FWO लिख रही थी ना
जी स्मॉल में ही कर रहे थे बस
ओके सही है So we are going to start. Harim, Rayana, Naseem, Ayan, Malik, Abrish, Hassan, Abdul Rahman, and Noor Sahel. I welcome you to today's class. And our today's topic would be numbers to 20. Some students were not here yesterday, so I will repeat what we have done in last 2 days. We learn number 11 to 20 with spellings, and we get to know that there are 2 ways to express any number. And those 2 ways are, how do we express numbers? We can express numbers in 2 ways. That is in numerals. Number 1 method of expressing number is numerals. Numerals means when you write direct numbers. Okay, numerals means when you write the numbers in 1 2 3 4 in this form. This is called numeral way. Okay, numeral numbers in numerals. And when you write numbers with spellings like E, L, E, V, and 11, T, W, E, L, V, 12, that is called words form. It is called words form. With spellings, the format is called words form, and with numbers, it's called numerals form. Okay, this is words form. Clear? There are 2 ways to express numbers. Number 1 words form and number 2 numerals form. Words and numerals, these are the 2 ways of expressing numbers. Then we learned that there are 2 types of numbers which you have done so far. There are 2 types of numbers. Number 1 is which you have done so far, types of numbers. Yesterday we did that there are 2 types of number, 1 digit numbers and 2 digit numbers. I'm repeating for those who were not in class yesterday. Okay, in 1 digit numbers, all the numbers from 0 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers are having only one digit in them. एक ही नंबर है जिनमें वो उन्हें कहते हैं हम वन डिजिट नंबर. ओके, बट फ्रॉम 11 to 20 your all numbers are having two digits. Like if you see from 10 to 20, 1, 0, 10 having two digit 1 and 0, 1, 1, 11 two digit, 1, 2, 12 two digit, 1, 6, 13 two digit, 1, 4, 14 two digit, 1, 5, 15 two digits, 1, 6, 16 two digits, 1, 7, 17 two digits, 1, 8, 18 two digits, 1, 9, 19 two digits, and 2, 0, 20. So all the numbers from 10 to 20 are having two digits, and all the numbers from 0 to 9 are having one digit. Like this, you have 10 one-digit numbers and 10 two-digit numbers. This is what we did yesterday and day before yesterday. And we are repeating it again and again so that you could get to know yourself that there are two ways of expressing numbers. First is numerals way and second is words way. And there are two types of number. The first one is one-digit numbers and the second one is two-digit numbers. Then we did the numbers in words. We came to know that we can write numbers in numerals and words on our own. So we are going to repeat that as well. Numbers, number 11 to 20. We did their numbers form and words form. In both forms we wrote them. So first of all, I'll write words form. Here I am going to write words form. Then on the right side, I'll write their numerals form. Okay. I'm going to write the numbers in both ways with your help. Okay. I'll unmute somebody amongst you to ask the number. Then you have to tell me. Because all of you have done this in class prep as well. And we are repeating it since Monday. We are doing the same topic numbers to 20. So you are able to do that easily. Abdurrahman, it's your turn. Are you getting my voice? Abdurrahman.
Yes, ma'am.
Better tell me spellings of number 11.
E-L-E-V-E-N.
Very good. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. And how do we write it in numeral form? Numeral में हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? Numeral means numbers में हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? One and yes, 1 and 1.
1.
Okay, good. Next is Abrish. Are you getting my voice? Better next number in words. What would be the next number after 11?
12.
12. What are spellings?
E-W-E-L-E.
L
L-V-E.
V-E. Good. And how do we write it in numerals form?
1.
1,
and 2.
1 and 2. Very good. So 11, 12. Then comes it's Ashal's turn. Are you getting my voice, Ashal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what comes next? After 12, what would be?
13.
Spellings.
13.
Tell me spellings.
T-H-I-R.
T-H-I-R. G.
T-W-E-N-T. 13.
Very good. And how do we write 13 in numerals form?
1, 3.
Very good. 1, 3. Good, Ashal. Thank you. And the next turn is of Ayan Malik. And are you getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what comes next?
Yes.
What comes after 13, beta?
14.
Very good. What are spellings? 14. 14.
FOUR 4.
Okay.
WN.
T.
TWN 14.
Okay, 14. And how do we write it in numerals form?
EE.
How do we write it in numerals form?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Good. What comes next? It's husband's turn. Husband, tell me the next number, please. Husband, are you getting my voice? Husband Malik, are you there? Hello? Husband Malik is not listening to me. He's playing with someone else, so I'm muting him. The next one is Ali Omar. Ali, are you getting my voice? Ali, are you there? Ali Usman.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटे आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Okay, why didn't you attend the yesterday's class? The last 3 days में आप नहीं थे, खैरियत थी बेटा? Ali,
जी.
last 2-3 days आप absent थे, खैरियत थी?
लेट हो
मैं लेट हो
गए थे।
मैम लेट हो गई थी.
Okay. We are doing numbers to 20 now. We have done 11, 12, 13, 14 so far. Can you tell me spellings of 15?
FIF.
FIF, TEEN, 15. And please share how do we write 15 in numerals form?
5.
1, 5,
5.
15. Good. Are you playing Ludo?
लूडो खेल रहे हैं। Yes.
But don't play yet, please. Focus on your class. After finishing class, you can play anything which you like, okay? Next one is Noore Sahar. Noor, are you getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Noor, what comes next after 15?
XIXPEEN.
We have done 15, bete. What comes after 15?
16.
16. Okay, what are spellings? S,
S
G,
SIX 6, ma'am. 16.
okay. Teen,
IXTEEN.
good. And how do we write 16 in numerals? How do we write it in numerals? 1 and 6.
1 6.
Yes, 1 6 16. Good girl. Next is Ryan Asim. Are you listening, Bete?
Yes.
Okay, what comes next?
Yes.
What
Yes,
comes?
ma'am.
What comes after 16?
17.
Very good. And what are spellings?
17.
Share spellings, Bete.
SEVE and 7 TWE.
Very good. 17. And how do we write it in?
SEVE.
Okay, and how do we write it in numerals form? 1 and
1 7.
very good. 1
One.
7. Good. Okay. Now Harim is with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Harim, what comes after 17?
18.
And what are spellings?
IGHTWN.
Very good.
18.
And how do we write it in numerals form?
1 8.
1
8.
8. Very good. Can you share spellings of 19?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
NINE 9
And 9.
TWN.
Very good. And how do we write it in numerals form?
1 9.
1 and 9. 19. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask somebody amongst you, what comes after 19? Husband will tell me. Are you there? Husband, are you listening? Husband. Husband, are you getting my voice? He's facing some issue. So I'm telling you myself that after 19 it comes. Yes, बेटे आपको आवाज आ रही है? Husband.
मैम आप
जी बेटे. Tell me spellings of 20 quickly. I'm listening. How do we write 20? Yes. Husband. Okay, husband, I think you have internet issue today. So I'm telling again, you just watch carefully so that you could get to know what we are doing. Now we are going to write the last number in words and numerals form. That is 20 TWE and TY 20, and in numerals form it is written as 2020. Okay. Now in today's lesson we are going to compare these numbers. For that we will write all these numbers on a page as I'm going to write them for you. Then you have to identify which is greater and which is smaller. As we have done comparing with numbers to 10, today we are going to compare number 11 to 20. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then next word is 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So when we say comparing, it means we have to find out the smallest and the greatest. The smallest and the greatest. And I'll do this with your help. Again, first one is Abdul Rahman.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the numbers carefully and tell me which is the greatest. Among all these numbers, which is the greatest?
20.
20 is the greatest.
19.
You are right. 20 was the greatest. Confused नहीं होते अपना जो concept clear है ना उस पे you are right. I'm writing again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And I asked which is the greatest. So tell me which is the greatest?
20.
20. So what are spellings of greatest? Do you know?
TWENTY. 20.
Greatest. 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 We spell greatest as Greatest. Greatest is 20. You are right. Very good. Now I'm asking Abrish. Abrish, are you getting my voice? Which is the smallest number in these numbers?
Yes.
Which is the smallest? 11. Very good. And how do we spell smallest? S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Smallest number is 11. Smallest number is 11. Okay. We were comparing all these numbers, and in all these numbers, 11 is the smallest and 20 is the greatest. But if we will be asked to compare only 3 numbers, and here are numbers which is smallest, and the numbers are in 12, 19, and 10. Now the question is changed. There are only 3 numbers, 12, 19, and 10, whom we are comparing. And you are supposed to tell the smallest number. Ashil, I'm unmuting you. Look at second question, which is written with black. Here is the question, which is smallest in 12, 19, and 10. Ashil has left the class. Okay. Ayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ayan, you tell me which is smallest in these numbers in 12, 19, and 10.
10.
Very good. 10 is what? 10 क्या है?
What? Small.
Smallest. Small तो तब कहते हैं ना जब छोटा होता है. Smallest means जो आपने पूछे उनमें सबसे छोटा. Smallest. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Your answer is absolutely right. Very good. The next one is next person with me is again Harim.
Yes, ma'am.
Harim, my question is, I'm changing my question now. It's which is greatest in 17, 13, and 20. Your question is written with green. You have to answer which is greatest in 17, 13, and 20.
$19.
Bete, you have only three numbers, 17, 13, and 20. 17, 13, and 20. Which is the greatest?
20.
20 is the greatest. Very good. You will write 20 is greatest. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means you have got the concept of comparing numbers to 20. It's 11:30. Scheduled time is over, and you all should know that the timing has been reduced due to Ramadan. Now we are having period of only 30 minutes.
मैम को रमजान में पूरी बुक हमने फिनिश करनी है ये
So you have to practice writing numbers in numerals and words from 11 to 20 with your parents. Wherever you are going in your house, whatever you are watching, you have to count that thing. Then you have to express that number in words and in numerals. You just have to share with your parents. Need not to write anywhere. Just practice words and numerals again and again so that you don't face difficulty while expressing numbers in words and in numerals. Clear? I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself and your parents. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.